We're keeping that interpretation. That was gold. All right, today I'm checking out the Flight of the Conchords. I'm listening to the song Seagull. Let's get into it.
Tired of this place, I need to get away. It's time for me to go now, I can't stay, no. Just like any bird, I need to spread my wings and fly across the ocean, see what the new day brings. 'Cause I'm a seagull, yeah.
In the first verse of the song, the singer portrays himself as a free spirit. He does this by using the metaphor of a seagull, a creature untethered to gravity.
I can't stay on this cold little rock. No, it's time for me to go, my mind's made up. It's the mind of a seagull, yeah. 'Cause I'm a seagull, I got the mind of a seagull, yeah.
In this fascinating second verse, he talks about leaving a rock. The rock obviously represents a relationship which has grown cold and uninhabitable.
When I fly up in the sky, there's something more I seek. I wanna feel the warmth of the morning sun across my beak. 'Cause I'm a seagull, yeah. I got a beak, yeah.
In this verse, he talks about leaving the rock again with the relationship, obviously, feeling the sun on his beak. The beak is obviously a phallic symbol, it's his penis.
I'm a seagull I will always be. Dive into the ocean, dip my beak into the sea. Oh, here we go now. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm a seagull, yeah. I'm trying to lift this piano. I'm trying to lift it with my hopeless wings. Damn these feather things, oh no. They're the curse of being a seagull, yeah.
I've absolutely no idea what he's talking about now.
One day I found this piano, he washed up on this cold little rock. Since that day I've been playing my piano non-stop. 'Cause I'm a piano playing seagull, yeah.
Totally confused. He seems to be mixing metaphors here with the piano.
You see, my job here is done. I don't have to do anything. I'm just listening. I'm just vibing to the song. I don't have to interpret lyrics. They're already interpreted for us, and I agree with everything the interpreter said. Even the part where he got confused, that's literally the part where I started getting super confused. Now, I had no idea the whole sun on his beak, you know what I'm saying? I didn't know that was a phallic symbol. I don't think I would have taken that one. I don't think I would have taken it into the gutter, but when he did, that made so much sense. You're leaving the rocky relationship thing and you want to get some sun on your beak, then you go dip your beak into the ocean. You know what I mean? And you know what they say, like plenty of fish in the sea. You know what I'm saying? That's a whole relationship term. You're dipping your beak in the ocean. Well, if you're a bird dipping your beak in the ocean, you're probably trying to catch fish. You know what I'm saying? Plenty of fish in the sea. Like, I would not have taken it there. That makes complete sense. But then when you get to talking about playing the piano and all that, I'm like, wait, what? I can't wait to see what he has to say about this playing the piano. What does that mean? He doesn't know what it means. He's confused. And he's still confused. I definitely would have been confused. I agree with the interpretation 100%. My job is easy this song. I get to just listen and enjoy.
What's the piano a metaphor for? Is that a lost dream or what's the excuse me, we're just doing an analysis of the song. What's the piano a metaphor?
No, the piano is a piano, yeah, it's literally a piano, yeah.
Oh. It's just a piano.
Yeah, that's right, it's a piano, yeah.
Is the rock a relationship that has grown cold over time?
The rock is just a rock.
So the beak isn't phallic symbolism?
No, the beak is not my cock, no.
So this is just a song about a very musical seagull.
I'm literally a keyboard playing seabird, the same. I keep on playing, see but play my piano with my way. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 journey a seagull, yeah, who sometimes shits on people, yeah. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 journey a seagull, yeah. Piano solo, yeah. Oh, I wish I had some fingers. Oh, damn these other things. La la la, la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 journey a seagull, yeah, yeah, everybody. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 journey a seagull, yeah, yeah. Let your nigga keep up playing, see but the same.
I'm gonna have to stick with the original interpretation. I can't believe they reneged the interpretation. I thought the interpretation was so good with the beak and the phallic symbol and the ocean and all that stuff. And then I was thinking the piano. The piano is probably just him expressing himself after getting out of that relationship he was done with and being happy with his current intimate life, dipping his beak in the sea all the time. That was the piano. And then by the end of the song, the piano's going crazy. The whole music, it sounds like, you seen that movie Rio? It's like some movie about birds, some cartoon movie. It came out probably over a decade ago. It was a long time ago. But anyway, I think I was in college when it came out. It was a movie about birds. And they would have these scenes where all the birds are dancing and stuff. And that's what the music sound like at the end there. If you've seen Rio, you get it. You know what I mean? It sound like that. You could have a bunch of birds dancing to that because they're happy. And he's definitely happy with his intimate life after leaving the rock. You know what I'm saying? Getting out of a bad relationship. It all makes sense. It all makes sense, but they're saying it's not. But you know, sometimes people will say something's not, but it really is. Like if someone does a subliminal post about you and you confront them, is this about me? Oh no, it's not about you. It's just about my life. You know, something like that. But like, no, you're literally talking about this thing, even though you say you're not. I feel like it's got to be something like that. The interpretation was too good. The sound was perfect for the interpretation. My only question was, what was he playing the piano with? Was he playing the piano with his wings or his beak? But then I think he answered that at the end. The note was so drawn out, I couldn't tell, but I thought he said playing the piano with my wings, and then just went on to something. It definitely was playing the piano with the wings. I was just wondering, was it the, like, you know, phallic symbol, you playing the piano with your beak, or the wings? It was with the wings. But then, no. We're keeping that interpretation. That was gold.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. We to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.